The parrotlets are such little birds with such big personality. You cannot go wrong with this curious little bird. One thing about them that's important to keep in mind though is that they're a lot more feisty than budgies. So if you have kids, it might be better to go with a budgie rather than a parrotlet, because a budgie in this case might be a lot easier for your kid to bond with. Every situation is different and every bird is different and every person is different. So if you have bonded to a specific bird, well, there's your answer. You don't need me to tell you. Parrotlets are amazing companions, and on a loud scale, I would give them about a 1. So if you are living in an apartment and looking for a bird, this is a really great bird to look into.